Hello everyone. Today in this multiplication series, we are going to learn crisscross multiplication. Yes, multiplication of a three-digit number with a three-digit number. With this method, you can multiply any three-digit number with any three-digit number. And the Vedic sutra is Urdhavat Tiryak method. So let's learn this crisscross multiplication for three-digit numbers. Now you can see it on my screen that I have done this multiplication of 502 with 336 by our normal traditional method. Now let's learn how to do it with Vedic method. You can see in this traditional method, there are so many steps involved. But if you learn Vedic method of this three-digit and three-digit multiplication, this calculation will be very easy and it can be done in a single line only. But for that, you need to learn this method. So before doing this question, let's do a simple question of multiplication of three-digit number with any three-digit number. So suppose you want to multiply 123 with 200. Let's take 221 or 221. So if you want to multiply these two numbers, and you can see it here, both are three-digit numbers. So step number one in this case is you write the numbers in this way: 123 and 221. Now we have to draw some arrows here, and the arrows will be like this. One arrow downwards, this side, another arrow, again downward. There is a cross in the middle, this side, another cross here, like this. So these arrows will help us to do the multiplication in that particular order. Three more arrows are required, but that we will do it later on. Now let's see how to do this multiplication. Actually, we are going to divide our answer into 5 different parts. So let's do the multiplication according to the arrows here. The first step is do this first multiplication, 1 into 2. 1 into 2 is 2, so I will write here 2. And this side, right side, extreme right, 3 into 1. 3 into 1 is 3, so you can see I have written 3 here. Now, these are the two parts which we have done. Now come to this side, another multiplication. 2 times 1. You can see this cross in the middle. Actually, we have to multiply and then we have to add their products. So 2 into 1 plus 2 into 3. So 2 into 1 is 2 plus 2 into 3, 6, which is 8. And that 8 you will write here. Okay, so you can see it here, this the same way only, like I drew the arrow, same way I have done the multiplication also. So 2 times 1 is 2, 3 times 2 is 6, so 2 plus 6 is 8. Okay, so now again one more part I'm making it here. This middle part you leave it right now. Now let's do the next multiplication. You can see another cross here, same method. 2 times 1 is 2 plus 2 times 2 is 4, 2 plus 4 is 6. So we have got the answers of all the 4 parts. Now this 5th part, which is in the middle, that we have not done. So for this, another 3 arrows we need to draw. So you can see it here now. I'm making the other 3 arrows here. You can see it here, one arrow like this. Okay, and another one starting from the left corner to the right top corner, and this side 1 top left to the bottom right. Okay, so 1 and 1, 2 and 3, and in the middle also there is an arrow here. So do the multiplication according to these arrows. I'm making it here so that you can check it more clearly. So this is our multiplication 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 1. So for this middle part, the calculation will be like this: 1 with 1, 2 with 3, and 2 with 2. So all these three products we will add and we will write it in the middle. So it will be 1 times 1 is 1, then 2 times 3 is 6, and then 2 times 2 is 4. So 6 plus 4, 10, 10 plus 1 will be 11. Okay, so these are the answers of our 5 parts. Now after this crisscross multiplication, we are going to write the final answer now. Now for final answer, you have to start from the extreme right. So we will take only one digit at a time from all these different groups. So in this case, you can see we are getting single digit numbers only. Only in the middle part, we have 11 two-digit number. So let's start with this. Start from this. 3 is a single digit, write as it is. 8 is a single digit, write as it is. Then pick this 1. 1 will be as it is. And this 1, which is at the 10th place, we have to shift it to the left side. And 6 plus 1 is 7. And this 2 is as it is. So the answer will be 27183. Okay. So you can see it here. We have done this multiplication with crisscross and our Urdhavat Tiryak method. Right now it is looking very difficult, but when you do the practice, it will be very easy, and the multiplication, you will be able to do it in your mind only. Okay, so 27183. First step is you write the multiplication in vertical pattern. Second step, you draw these arrows, 2 vertically downwards, 2 crosses in the middle, and then one big cross starting from left to the right, again starting from the left top to the right bottom, and then middle numbers also to be multiplied. So then after doing these cross multiplications, write the numbers, pick one digit from each number. If you get a 2-digit number, you shift this to the left side and then write the answers accordingly. Okay, so in this way, we can do our multiplication of 3-digit with 3-digit numbers. Now let's do the multiplication of this actual sum with our Vedic method. Okay, so in this case also same method we are going to apply. First step, write 502 and 336. Draw these arrows here. Now for the arrows, 2 vertically downwards, 2 crosses in the middle. Okay, and then another big cross like this, and this one for the middle. Now do the multiplication according to the arrows. 5 times 3 is 15, 2 times 6 is 12. Then for the middle cross, 5 times 3, 15, 15 plus 0 is again 15 here. And then middle one, leave it. 6 times 0 is 0, 3 times 2 is 6. And for the middle multiplication, 5 times 6 is 30. 30 plus 6 is your 36. And 0 times 3 is 0, so that's why it is only 36. Now after doing this multiplication, we have to write the answer. Now final answer will be starting from the right. So 2 will be as it is. It's a 2-digit number, so this 1 will be shifted this side. 1 plus 6 is 7. And then this 6 as it is. 10th place of this is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And then 1 plus 5, again it is 6. And this one will be as it is. So 168672 is our final answer. Now you can see it here. With this traditional method, we applied this long calculation, but now with this Vedic method, it is very easy and very quick also. Just with in these 2 steps only, we have got the answers. And after practice also, you will see that no need to draw the arrows even. Okay, so in this case, we have we have got the numbers where we found that there were two two-digit numbers. Now, let's do one more example in which actually you will see that there are two two-digit numbers in each case and you have to do the multiplication. Like for example, if you have 467, now I'm taking a big number here, and 598. Now I hope you know the method and you can do it now with me side by side. So start the same process, two arrows like this, cross in the middle, and for the big cross, I'm highlighting it like this and this one. Now you can see the number, both the numbers are very big numbers. So you will get two digits in each and every case. So be careful. 4 times 5, 20. 7 times 8. Try to finish the vertical downwards arrows first so that you can do it very fast. Now solve the middle, these two crosses. 9 times 4, 36. 6 times 5, 30. So 36 plus 30 is 66. And this side, 6 times 8, 48. 48. 9 times 7 is your 63. Now you can see it here, 48 and plus your 63. It will be your 111. So we have got a 3-digit number here. Because when you do the multiplication, you will get these type of numbers also. But our concept will remain same. We have to shift the 2-digit and this third 3-digit also to the left side. Okay, now with the big cross multiplication, 4 times 8 is 32. 6 times 9 is 54. And 7 times 5 is your 35. 8 times 4, 32. 5 times 7, 35. And 6 times 9, 54. Now add all these three to get the middle number answer. So 5 plus 4, 9 plus 2 is 11. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 5, 9, and it is 12. So 121 in the middle. Now apply the same process. So I'm making it more clear for you. So I'm writing the groups here, 20, 66, 121, 111, 111, and 56. Only this part you have to do it very carefully. Now apply the same process. Start from right. So 6 will be 6. 5, shift to the left side. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now it's a 3-digit number. So you have to shift this full 11 to the left side. So 11 plus 1 is your 12. And if any carryover is there, you write it here so that you can add it separately. Now 12 plus 1 is 13. 13 plus 6 will be 19. Again, one carryover, 6 plus 1, 7. 7, now whatever is left, you add to the left side, extreme left side. So 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 20 is 27. So our final answer is 279,266. So there can be different cases when you do the multiplication. It can be all single digit numbers. It can be all 2-digit numbers. And there can be some 3-digit numbers also, but the concept will remain same. You will take only single digit in each and every part. Whatever extra digits will be there, whether it's a units place or whether it's a tens place or hundreds place, you will pick only units place, and the remaining you will shift it to the left side. So with the help of these arrows, you can do the addition properly. So with this Urdhavat Tiryak method, you can see the multiplication of 3-digit number with any 3-digit number. You can do it very quickly and easily. And after a lot of practice, you can see that we can do this calculation with horizontal method also. Yes. So if you want to do the same calculation with horizontal multiplication, that also you can do. For this, you need to write 467 in this way and 598 in this way. But this requires little extra practice. So when you are doing this multiplication, just in your mind only you can do, because when we make the groups, so you write your answer like this, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and the fifth group will be here. So 7 times 8 will be 56, like this here. Extreme left, 4 times 5 will be 20. And then cross in the middle. Yes, these two crosses. So you will take 4 times 9 as 36 and your 6 times 5. Like this, you can make the curves here to do the multiplication. 4 times 9, 36, 6 times 5, 30. So you can write it like this. 66 is our second group. 30 plus 36 will be your 66. And then the next one is your, for the middle group, right now you leave it as it is. Now for the left side cross, right side cross here, which was 111. How to do this one? Now you take 67 and 98 and you multiply it in that order. So 7 times 9 will be your 63, like this. And 6 times 8 will be your 48. So the curves you have to draw so that you can do it very carefully and properly. So 48 plus 63 will be your 111. And for the middle cross, for the big cross, you know now what to do. 4 times 8 will be 32. This one, 4 times 8 will be 32. You can write it here separately. And then is your 6 times 9 middle with the middle, 54. And this side, 7 times 5. This one and this one plus 35. And this total is your 121. And when you will arrange, when you will write all the answers, when you will take single digit number only, you will get this answer. So after practice, you can do this multiplication in horizontal way also. So, but that requires little extra practice. So this is our multiplication of 3-digit numbers with 3-digit numbers. Now you can easily do the multiplication of these numbers with your Vedic method. So you can easily multiply now big numbers also, any 3-digit number, 643 into 364, you can find the answer. If you want to multiply 236 into 146, you can easily find. And any other example also you can take, 685 times 374. So these type of multiplications now you can easily do with our Vedic method, which is called Urdhavat Tiryak method or crisscross multiplication. So try to practice this concept. First you do the vertically and then you try to do it horizontally. And with little extra practice, you will be able to do all these calculations quickly and in few seconds. So I'm closing this here only. In the next class, we will do some other multiplication Vedic maths concepts. So thank you everyone. Keep practicing Vedic maths.